Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a ghost zoom effect in Capcut. This popular visual technique adds a dynamic, ethereal touch to your videos. To start, simply select the video segment you wish to enhance. Then, duplicate that clip and position the new copy as an overlay directly above your original footage on the timeline. This foundational step prepares your video for the ghostly transformation. Now, let's define the zoom. Place your first keyframe at the very beginning of your overlay clip. Advance the timeline a short distance, perhaps by 1 second, and add a second keyframe. At this second keyframe, gently zoom in on your overlay clip. You can increase its scale anywhere from 105 to 200%, depending on your desired intensity. This creates the initial movement for our ghost effect. To achieve that distinct ghostly appearance, select your overlay clip and find the blend or splice option. Here, you will adjust the opacity. Lower the opacity to a range of 20 to 35%. This makes your zoomed-in overlay semi-transparent, allowing the original video to show through, thus creating the ethereal ghost effect. Experiment within this range to find the perfect level of transparency for your video. For a professional and smooth ghost zoom, navigate between your two keyframes and apply an ease-out graph. This graph type ensures a fluid acceleration and deceleration of the zoom. Additionally, consider adding a fade-out animation to the end of your overlay clip. Adjust its duration to about 0.9 seconds for a seamless disappearance. These final touches will make your ghost zoom effect look polished and captivating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.